What's up? Welcome to Cooking with FREiZ. I have a cold, that's why my voice is raspy and stuff right now. But we are cooking deer fillet. Yes, we are. So, first of all, you're going to get some pan down here. You're going to get some butter and stuff like this. Put that in there like that. All right. And then you're going to leave that right there and we'll clean up later. Then you're going to take some McCormick garlic powder. Powder. Shout out to John Witherspoon. Rest in peace. That's about enough. Then we got the yellow, red, and green bell peppers. They are fermenting in celery salt. So, delicious. All right. So now we're gonna go ahead and, well, first of all, we're gonna get this right here. Open this up. This is filet. This is not tenderloin. The next episode will be tenderloin. This is, where in the hell? Let me see. This has been seasoned in McCormick Grill Mates Montreal steak seasoning. It's been marinating basically in there for about an hour and a half. That's what you gotta do now. This is gonna be the greatest thing ever. Let me put that in there. This is all going in there. All right. I wrapped the shit out of this, didn't I? First of all, we need to turn the fucking oven on. Stove, dumbass. You smell that? Good God. It smells delicious. It smells like poutine pie. I always like to clean as I go. That way I don't have a mess later. Let's see. Gotta mix it up, baby. Gotta mix it up. Then you gotta flip it. Get right here, buddy. See, another little piece fell out. Sometimes that happens. This is filet. This is not tenderloin. So, you don't get too much off a deer with this. And that, by the way, this is deer meat. Don't cut me no more. So, all right, let's pan out. And let me grab a plate. See, take it off the stove real quick, and then back on the flame. Cook these peppers up. These are a little tricky to flip, but don't let them discourage you. They're just little bitches like everybody else. Actually, I think I flipped these damn things whenever I did that shake. I did that shake and bake. Whoops, mistakes happen. But anyways, go ahead and clean that up. All right, it's pretty much done. Sizzling like that, that's some good shit. So you don't want to miss this. Yeah, I should hire some deer hunters and open up my own restaurant. So, you're gonna try it. The camera guy. All right, let's go. Let's try a piece.
Oh man, I've been waiting.
Try a piece with a pepper.
Oh yeah, like this orange one.
I got some hot sauce, man. I got everything.
That is fine cooking.
Delicioso, huh? Oh, that was delicious. All right, this has been Cooking with FREiZ. We just cooked and ate some deer filet, and tune in next time for deer tenderloin. Then we'll move on to simpler things for everybody else, like scrambled eggs and grilled cheese and stuff like that. Anyways, hey, I'm FREiZ. Thanks for watching, tuning in. Hit the subscribe button or make a stupid comment and get an argument down there. I don't give a fuck, but whatever. Peace out.